In this video, you will learn about a scholarship opportunity in the United Kingdom. This scholarship is open to students from all backgrounds and offer incredible opportunity to further your education and pursue your dreams in the UK. In this video, I would cover the eligibility requirements for this scholarship, the documents you need to have to apply for this scholarship, and also how to apply for this scholarship opportunity. So stick with me to the end of the video so you don't miss out on any important information. Hello friends, happy new month and welcome back to my channel if you're a returning subscriber. If this is your first time on this channel, welcome. My name is Esther. Welcome back to another episode on the Target series. Let's get started. The scholarship I'll be discussing with you in today's video is provided by Scottish Power. If you use the link in the video description below, it will bring you to this webpage. This scholarship is specifically for master's studies in the UK. And you can see right here, these are all the courses that this scholarship would cover. This set of universities are also the universities under this scholarship program. So be sure you are applying to any of these universities and you are applying to any of those programs I discussed before. Here are the benefits that this scholarship covers. Payment of enrollment cost at the university, a monthly payment of £1,200 per month, company mentor, assistance with identifying an industry-related project, and also exciting career prospects. In return for the scholarship, Scottish Power are looking for each scholar to promote career opportunities available within the company, also to act as a STEM ambassador for the industry, introduce future scholarship applicants to the scheme, and also support any recruitment activity agreed on campus or virtually. If you use the link in the video description below and you scroll down on the web page, you will see different testimony by previous scholars or beneficiary of this scholarship. As you can see, some of their scholars testify that after they completed their master's degree, they were offered a position on the graduate scheme with Scottish Power Renewables. You can scroll down to see different scholars' testimonials based on this scholarship with respect to employment opportunity after their studies. If you have interest in this scholarship and you have interest in any of the programs discussed above, the application window for the 2023-2024 application season is open and the application closes on Friday 31st of March 2 p.m. So guys, hurry and submit your application for this scholarship as soon as possible. On Target series, I share opportunities on how to study abroad, and most of the opportunities that I share regards free applications and also scholarship opportunities have application deadline. Most often than not, you might find my video after the deadline has passed. To avoid this, kindly click on the subscribe button if you haven't joined the family, and also, most importantly, turn on your post notification bell so you are notified whenever I post a new video on the Target series. That way, you'll be able to grab the opportunity and submit your application in time. If you like this content, kindly support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up. That way, the YouTube will recommend it to other viewers and they'll be able to benefit from this opportunity. Thank you for liking the video. Next, I would walk you through the application requirements for this scholarship. First, let's explore this scholarships tab. You can see the Scottish Power will provide scholarships for the 2023 to 2024 academic year for postgraduate studies at universities in the United Kingdom in these following areas. And the announcement period opens on 1st of February 2023 and it will end at 2 p.m. UK time on 31st of March 2023. So guys, hurry and submit your application for this scholarship as soon as possible. Also, you can apply to any of these 12 universities listed below because these are the universities that the Scottish Scholarship Program would cover. It will be of your interest to know that this scholarship will also accept application for any scholarships from any other UK universities, provided that the course objectives match their specified knowledge areas. You can see this information on their website, which means you are not restricted to only these 12 universities on their website. Next, let's look at the application requirements. Applicants must be in possession of or expect to receive a bachelor's degree with honors at a minimum of 2:1 or equivalent master's degree from a recognized universities at the submission of this application. Also, you must follow the usual application procedure for the UK universities you wish to attend. Applicants may not receive any remuneration, wages, or be in receipt of any scholarship, financial aid, or other award of a similar nature from institutions and public or private foundations during the period that this scholarship is awarded for. You can also see the different requirements that they have on their website. Next, let's explore the documentation. To be eligible for this scholarship, the interested candidate must complete the electronic application before 2 p.m. UK time on 31st of March. And these are the following documents you need to attach with your application. The first is photocopy of your international passport. Second is curriculum vitae, that is your CV. Third is the photocopy of your degree certificate. The fourth one is the transcript of university studies completed. The fifth is a certificate accrediting all the languages levels specified in the form, if applicable. And the sixth document is certification confirming either a conditional or unconditional offer to the proposed university, that is to say, your admission letter. The maximum size permitted for each of these documents listed above is 5 megabytes. Next, guys, let's explore the selection process. The selection process will commence with online testing. After that, candidates will be shortlisted based on their academic qualifications, their CV, and the knowledge area of proposed studies. So I will advise you, whenever you are submitting your application for this scholarship, make sure you put in the best when you are describing your academic qualifications. Write your CV of a good standard, and also put in good knowledge of the area of your proposed study. There will also be an online testing which will take place between 1st to 21st of April this year after the application deadline is closed. Also, there will be an interview, and then all applicants will receive an update on the outcome of their application by 9th of June 2023. You can go through all these other tabs on their website to explore the candidate nomination, different information that they have with respect to candidate nomination. You can also explore the financial contribution for this scholarship. This scholarship will cover the enrollment cost at the university in the UK and also give you £14,400 per year. This amount will be paid out in £1,200 monthly installments. You can use the scholarship management tab to see the following conditions or obligations each recipient must fulfill during this scholarship year. If you have reviewed all these above tabs, next what you want to do is to click on apply for your scholarship here, and you click on this tab that says access. That will bring you to this application page where you just have to click on new application. If you haven't started a submission yet, fill all this information and that would enable you to start your application procedure. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Apply for the Scottish Power Scholarship 2023 today, and don't forget, this application will close on the 31st of March 2023. If you haven't seen other videos on Target series where I spoke about schools in the USA that are waiving the application fees and also granting full scholarships to all students, including international students, or if you have interest in studying in Australia, I have some videos shared on the channel already. Kindly check them out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned, and I'll see you on another episode of the Target series. Till then, guys, stay tuned. Peace.